If you're connected to Wi-Fi but can't access the internet, don't worry, you're not alone. Today I'll walk you through some effective troubleshooting steps to fix this issue on Windows 11 and Windows 10, so let's get started. First things first, let's make sure it's not a temporary issue. Here's a quick way to refresh your network connection. First, restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can solve connectivity issues. If restarting doesn't help, let's try some more in-depth troubleshooting. Press Win plus X and select Device Manager to check your network adapters. Once the Device Manager is opened, expand the Network Adapters section and find your Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for Update Driver software. Updating your network driver can fix issues if your current driver is outdated or corrupted. Now, let's run the Network Troubleshooter. To do that, press Windows plus I to open Settings. Now click on System and then Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters and then find Internet Connection. Now click Run to let Windows diagnose and attempt to fix the problem. The troubleshooter can automatically detect and fix common network issues. Next step is to reset network settings. On the settings, go to Network and Internet, scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. Now click on Network Reset, then click Reset Now. Resetting your network settings can resolve deeper issue by reinstalling network adapters and setting everything back to default. If none of these steps work, you might want to check if the issue is with your router or contact your internet service provider for further assistance. And that's it for today's video. I hope these troubleshooting steps help you get back online.